Hello my beautiful friends out there, welcome back to my channel Real Ria. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post my videos. Now last video I did talk about skincare essentials, and in this video I'm going to be talking about hair care essentials. Now it is very important for all of us out there to have good strong hair. Now unfortunately I'm not blessed with big and long luscious, but I do maintain certain things to get at least strong hair. Now when I was back in college I used to suffer from a lot of hair fall problems and split end problems, but thank God I do take care of my hairs, and slowly gradually all those problems have reduced, have come down. So without further ado, let's dig into the video. So the very first thing that you require for your hair care routine is a white tooth comb. Now always use a white tooth comb because it helps reduce the tension when you comb your hair. You can also use the hair brushes, they are also great. Now this hair comb is actually from Vega. You can try out Vega's hair brushes also. They are absolutely incredible. They do not break your hair. They untangle your tangled hairs, so always use a white tooth comb. And also another tip for all of you out there is that never comb your hair when your hair is wet, because when your hair is wet it is the weakest, and whenever you put the tension out there it tends to fall. So never do that. Now moving on to another basic and I think essential thing for a good hair care routine are oils. Now I do personally like to use two oils. One is actually by Merit Vico. It is their extra virgin coconut oil. This is actually a 100% extra virgin coconut oil, and this is absolutely good. I just use this, and I do, whenever I wash my hair after I use this oil, I do feel my hair has become soft, and it becomes a little luscious. Now along with this coconut oil, another oil that I like to use in my hair care routine is actually a castor oil. Now this castor oil is actually by Essential Souls. This is their cold pressed castor oil. Now of course castor oil is a little thick for your hair, but they are actually a miraculous oil. Always use a castor oil, and you can also use coconut oil mixed in equal quantities and apply it on your hair. Now just a little tip is that if you warm your oil a little bit, it gives more nutrition to your hair. And always try to apply the oil on clean scalp so that your scalp absorbs your body, the body of your hair absorbs all the nutrients from these good oils. And also another tip, it doesn't really matter if you actually apply oils on your roots, because the main thing that absorbs the nutrition is actually your scalp. So try to have a clean scalp before you apply oil. Now the next basic thing for your hair care routine is cleansing your scalp and also your hair. Now for that of course we need shampoos. Now I like to use two shampoos which I alternatively use. First one is actually by Wow Science. This is their, and my absolute favorite, it is their apple cider vinegar shampoo. This is such a beautiful product. This gently cleanses your scalp, leaving your scalp, you can feel that cleansed scalp effect after you use this shampoo. It is very necessary that you use a good shampoo, and because this is all paraben free and SLS free, so I do like to use this shampoo a lot. I do use another shampoo also. This is actually again by Wow Science. This is their red onion black seed oil shampoo. This is also, it has no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, no color, and this is absolutely amazing for hair fall. This is another product that I do like to use. So what I tend to do is that alternatively I use both the shampoos. Now many of you out there do suffer from dandruff problems, and especially in this monsoon I think we do have a little bit of occurrence of dandruffs in monsoon season, in winter seasons. So another shampoo this is now a dermatological shampoo. This should be only used if you have dandruff problems, and this you can get in any medical store. This is actually Selsun. This is an absolute miraculous shampoo for anyone out there who's suffering from dandruff. Now, this is a very strong shampoo. All you need to do is you have to only apply this once a week. Now, unlike my other shampoos which can be applied thrice or fourth time a week, this shampoo should actually be applied only once a week because this is a very strong shampoo. Now, this not only treats dandruff but it also treats tinea versicolor. Now, this shampoo should be, if you're having dandruff, do apply this shampoo but only once a week, and please dilute your shampoo. Not only this shampoo but any shampoo that you use, please dilute your shampoo before you use your shampoo. Now, the function of a shampoo is only to cleanse your scalp and your hair. But the real thing that you need is actually nutrients, and you get nutrients from a good conditioner. So never skip a conditioner after you shampoo your hair. Now, the conditioner that I like to use is actually again by Wow Skin Science. This is their organic virgin coconut oil plus avocado oil conditioner, and this is such a great product. And the best part of this product is that it can also be applied on your scalp, so it does not do any harmful effect if you apply this product on your scalp. And another good thing about this product is that you can use this as a hair mask also. You leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wear a shower cap and you're good to go without even a good hair mask. So I really love this product. Now, moving on to my next product, and an essential for all our hair, is a good hair mask. Now, the hair mask that I use is actually by Oriflame. This is their milk and honey hair mask, and this is such a good hair mask. What I do with this product is actually I take out this product and I mix little bit of yogurt and honey into it, and then I like to apply it on my hair just as a good hair mask. Now, what yogurt and honey do is that it makes my hair more strong and more luscious. So this is my way of using the hair mask. You can use this hair mask in any way you want, just like a normal hair mask. Wear a shower cap or give a hot towel bath, a hot towel wrap, and you're good to go. Now, apart from oiling and cleansing your hair, you do need a little boost of extra thing for your hair. It's kind of acts like a Glucon-D for your body. Like as Glucon-D works for your body, so does hair tonics for your hair. Now, the hair tonic that I use is actually by Mamaearth. This is their Pro Growth Hair Tonic. This helps in promoting hair growth, and I have personally used this and have got great results from it. My hairline was reducing, but when I started applying this hair tonic regularly on my hair, I have seen difference for my hairline. My hairline has started increasing again, and I think this product is a great product. Now, guys, apart from using all these products, you can actually sometimes resort to natural products for your hair. Now, I have for you 2 DIY hair masks that can actually help your hair to become stronger, to become thicker. Now, the first hair mask that I have for all of you out there is actually a yogurt mask. It's a yogurt and banana mask, you can say. What you need to do is that you need to take, according to your hair structure and according to your hair length, you take yogurt, you take a banana, a full banana, add some raw milk, add some honey. If you are suffering from dandruff problems, you can add the juice of half a lemon to it, mix it well. Now, if you want a little bit of color on your hairs, you can add coffee. You can add 1 tablespoon of coffee to it, mix it well and apply to your hair. Keep it for half an hour, 25 minutes to half an hour, and you are good to go with strong manes. Now, the second DIY hair mask that I have for all of you out there is actually, what you can do is that you can mix equal quantity of amla powder, shikakai powder and bhringraj powder. Now, if you have dry hair, you can use milk. If you have normal to oily hair, all you can do is that you can just mix it in some water and apply it on your hair. Keep it in 15 minutes and you're good to go. Wash it off with a mild shampoo and you're good to go with strong, less hair fall hair. Now, I am here with one more DIY hair mask for all of you out there who are actually suffering from acute hair fall. If you are suffering from severe hair fall, guys, all you can do is you can take half cup of yogurt and you can add 2 camphor tablets into it and mix it well and apply it on your hair. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off with a mild shampoo, and you will see results within a month. Now, if you are suffering from severe hair fall, do this DIY hair mask trick at least twice a week, and gradually you will see that your hair fall is reducing. Now, trust me guys, this is a tested thing by me, and I hope that it will work out for you also. This was all for today's video. If you have liked this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, comment and share my video as much as you like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Real Ria. Thank you so much guys for watching out my video. Bye bye.